Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up OCO orders on Thinkorswim Mobile. An OCO, or one cancels the other, order is a powerful tool that combines a stop-loss order with a limit order. This means if one part of the order is executed, the other is automatically canceled. It's designed to help you manage risk and lock in profits without constant monitoring. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can confidently use this feature. First, open your Thinkorswim mobile app and log in. Once inside, you'll want to tap on the Trade tab, usually found at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll initiate all your trading activities. Next, search for and select the specific stock, option, or future you intend to place an OCO order on. This will bring up the order entry screen for that particular security. On the order entry screen, look for the order type drop-down. Here, you'll select OCO from the advanced order options. You'll then see fields appear for both your stop-loss and limit orders. Carefully enter your specific stop-loss price, which is the maximum amount you're willing to lose. Immediately after, input your profit-taking limit price, your target for closing the trade. Before placing your order, take a moment to thoroughly review all the details you've entered. Double-check your stop-loss and limit prices, the quantity, and the order duration, such as good till canceled. Accuracy is crucial to avoid unintended trades. Once you're confident everything is correct, tap the Confirm button to send your OCO order to the market. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.